Good morning, guys. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago, and I'm going to exercise today before I start on everything. And this is my outfit. Bye. So we're gonna do a 5-minute workout. After this, I'm going to head out to the gym and start my day. Bye, guys. Hi, so already done with my 5-minute exercise. Going down to the gym for an hour jog. Let's go to the gym, guys. Hi everyone, just got back from the gym and I'm going to cook my brunch na kasi I have to go pa sa Starbucks para mag-aral. Well, inisip ko nga ipupunta pa ba ako or hindi na kasi it will take so much of my time getting ready and baka full pack pala yung SB ngayon kasi it's a Sunday. And medyo ka maingay, so it's gonna be really hard for me. I'm not used to studying in a cafe kasi, yeah, it's loud and the chairs sometimes uncomfortable and yeah, hindi ko makakontrol yung ingay. And I don't have that, headphones or noise reduction. I got some chili. My brunch. Let's eat, you guys. Yo, this is fire, guys. Hi everyone, just woke up and I decided to go sa Starbucks to study kasi walang mangyari sa akin dito for sure. Unpacking my things na, so I could go na sa Starbucks. I think I'm going to take with me some just few stuffs para hindi masyadong mabigat. This one! It's so cute! Oh my gosh. I've been eyeing this for the past few days. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, babe, it's so cute. And then sabi niya, kunin mo na kung gusto mo, kunin mo na. Bilhin mo na. Pag may nagustuhan ka, bilhin mo na agad. He got me this. Thank you, babe. So I've been like debating if whether I'm going to bring this with me there or not. Kasi I'll be sitting for a few hours. And then it's so cold. I told you it's so cold. So ang galing na nga natin ito sa lalagyan. Wow. But it's so bulky. So I might not bring it. But I need it, so I might bring it. Wow, it's cute. Wow, oh my gosh. Kaso guys, if I'm alone, and then I use this sa SB, makapagkamalan nila kung may sira na ulo. Ang sikip guys. Pero, I should. Oh, ganito na lang. Bye guys, I'm going na sa SB para mag-aral. Hi guys. Change of mind tayo. Kasi, nag-book ako ng Grab. Walang nag-accept. So, it's gonna take so much of my time. So, dito na lang ako sa bahay. The foods instead of going there. Kasi, yung inisip ko din, yung instead na mag-pay ako a lot sa transportation, and then sa overpriced coffee, and then just overpriced bread. So I'd rather order outside na lang. And then, dito na ako sa house. Dito na ako sa condo mag-aaral. Yun lang. So, I'm just setting up my table. Masayang yung 30 minutes ko sa pag-aayos. Actually, 45 minutes. Pero, that's fine. Ginusto ko yan. This is the reason why I don't like to study outside kasi I have to pack my things pa. And then, hindi ko pa sure if meron akong available seat doon na dadatnan. So, let's just unpack my bag. Sadly, I wasn't able to study my cafe. Well, ayaw yata akong pag-study sa cafe, by the way, guys. I-off ko lang electric fan kasi hindi ako naka-noise cancellation. This is just a camera. By the way, guys, this is what's in my bag. Sayang naman eh. So, i-film na lang din natin. So, my DJI mic, mini mic, and then some batteries. And then, of course, my wallet. And then, Koodle, wipes. So, I always bring wipes with me. Para hindi ko na tawagin yung mga waiter. Kasi syempre, busy din sila. So, tulungan na lang din natin sila. So, bring wipes ka. Siyempre, we go out or mag-study ka sa cafe. Siyempre, busy din yung mga barista. So, tulungan na lang din natin sila magpunas ng table. So, 100-meter stick, invisible stick. This is for Insta360. And then, the Insta360 camera itself. Ta-da! I was supposed to film my short clip for my video tomorrow for release. So, yeah. And then my laptop. Ayun lang yung laman, guys. Oops, meron pa. Ito sa pocket. Sa pocket, I have this. Yung mga kailangan. Ayun na, ang bilis ng grab. May pagkain ako. Ito, meron akong lens card for my camera. Lens cap, I mean. And then headphones, just in case na gusto ko manood ng movie during my break. And then, ito lang yung ano ko, guys. Lipstick and pulbo. Hindi ako nag-makeup eh. Parang, nasa lang na-irritate yung face ko. Wala ko siya nalalagay sa face ko. Yun lang. Yun guys. I have to study now kasi time's running. I need to ace my quiz this Wednesday. There's no way I'm going to fail that. This is a do-or-die situation. Kailangan ko siya pasa. Otherwise, no. Hi guys, it's almost midnight and oh my gosh, hindi pa ako tapos. This is the reason why I wanna go out today kasi I feel like doing nothing at all today. Hindi ako nakapunta sa coffee shop because wala ako mag-book. Nainis na ako so I stayed here. But then, nakapagbasa naman ako ng madami-dami. Pero hindi ko siya natapos. Supposedly, kaya niyang matapos ngayon. Pero hindi ko siya natapos. So, I'm gonna make coffee right now. And we'll stay up until 2 a.m. Kasi maga tayo bukas. Mga 7:30 a.m. tayo gigising. We need to work out. And then, tutuloy na yung coffee shop tomorrow kasi maga ako pupunta. I'm planning on walking from here to there. So, hopefully, it works for me. Hopefully, hindi umulan. Exercise din yan. I need to lose weight. Kasi, I need to be healthy. Overweight is killing me, guys. Kasi it's hard for me to breathe. Meron kasi akong hika eh. So, kailangan ko magbawas ng timbang. Hindi dahil para maganda sa paningin, maganda yung shape. No. My goal is to be healthy for myself, not for others. For myself lang, okay? I changed into this comfy shorts. This one's from my grandma. Ito. Wala, hindi ko na nabalik. Sorry. Ang comfy niya kasi. Aminin na natin, guys. Ganito yung mga suotan natin pag tayo lang. Lahat maluluwag. Make some coffee pala. Bye. So we're gonna make some coffee tonight because I'm gonna stay up until 2 a.m. I'm gonna have to edit my YouTube videos and gonna finish this reading. But we'll definitely continue it. Tomorrow I'm gonna make coffee So let's go. Hello, guys. Gonna make coffee. Okay. I am using this coffee from Cafe Pro. This is from my boyfriend from Vietnam. Thank you so much, babe, for sponsoring me this. This siya. Oh, galing siyang Vietnam last week. So, dami niyang pinadala. Thank you so much, babe. So, ito yung naman niya, guys. 3-in-1 yata ito. I think so. Pero hindi siya patapang din. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng water. Konti lang, mga 1/4. Oh no, parang ang tapang niya. Wala pa naman ako niya. I'm using this ice cube molder from TikTok. Oh shit, man. I have to transfer this. This one's so big. So big, guys. Tastes good. Sarap siya.